Hi, transformation is not just a word, it's an effect, it's an effort, it is a complete change, it is a complete performance of on certain areas, whatever it may be. So, transformation means you need to really show some kind of results. You agree with me? Okay, I'm going to show you what way transformation can take place in brain performance, in upgrading your brain, upscaling your brain, with anti-aging secrets, starting from the child till the adults, for all age group from 6 to 60, how we are able to successfully do that. I am Mir Sadruddin, your brain performance coach from Haaq Academy, Bangalore. I welcome you to this session to understand how our children who have gone through this transformation have successfully emerged as a real academic champions. Yes? Come, if you are ready to watch that, really you will be thrilled to see to what extent we could able to bring out fantastic results which can really make them successful throughout their life. We have completely transformed their personality. We have given them those wings to fly. Yes, you watch this. The first slide which is coming to you will show you how in real terms, in true sense, how the transformation has happened. Okay, when the child comes to us, we make certain pre-assessments of understanding what is the learning styles of this particular child. Okay, we go through the visual, auditory and kinesthetic, and then we draw the graphs pertaining to that particular thing. This graph clearly shows what way this pre-assessment has happened for this particular child. So this is Sanjay Anand, whose results are there in front of you. Okay, this child is done this program for about almost 2 months with us. In 2 months, this is the phenomenal results. Okay, and you look at the post assessment pattern, how smooth it has become. We have reduced the overall time taken to study, and we have increased the memorizing capability. We have increased the time of retention of the particular data, and also you can see stress levels have completely come down. Okay, so the kind of techniques which we use here, we help the children to completely change from the normal way of data memorization to image memorization. Okay, a complete transformation. All right, and also we give them the very finest tool which is called imagery substitution methods, with which they are able to really put in all the data into the brain in a very easiest way without any stress, and keep it for a long time, as much as they want to. All right, so how they can shift a temporary memory information into a permanent memory, all these things have been given to them. All right, so the next performance of a child which is coming is Daphne is going to perform that. This child has really emerged as a child who can live up to the dreams of the parents. Okay, how she can really bring a speed to her actions, the way she talk, the way she deliver, because we generally say the speed is magical, but when it is on road it kills, but in life it skills. We always like to look at those personalities who are very dynamic, energetic, enthusiastic. Yes or no? Do you like to look at those zombies who move around like buffaloes on the road? No, never. We never want our children to be like those zombies. Our children need to be really sharp. Okay, they should have a lot of presence of mind and common sense. This is what exactly we do in our academy. Look at Daphne's performance. She is going to say these 30 words. Look at the magical ability, how she could able to really deliver these words in just 10 seconds. Okay, look at that speed. That is something magical. That will really mesmerize you. How fast your child can really keep that information for so long and deliver it so fast. Because when you talk about learning, it's not just memorizing something, it's about how long you can store the information, how fast you can recall the information, how long you can retain that information. That's what exactly this girl is going to do. Yeah, watch that.
Tree, bucket, apparate, telephone, glass, pencil, paper, road, building, shop, biscuit, also t-shirt, stomach, books, table, spectacle, vestican, infant, toothpaste, basket, cat, water, bread, table, fan, carpet.
Oh, fantastic. Lovely, lovely, fantastic. Then, the next thing which is going to be in front of you is how the children go through listening practices. See, there is a sketch, colorful sketch presented. So we give them a very nice story which with lot of twists and turns. Of course, it's not that easy for any person to put it as a drawing. Okay, these children have developed their abilities with which they are able to really make out all the details so nicely. Look at the drawing. This is how we develop listening skills. All right, and now this child Shaima is going to perform how you can increase brain response time. This is the same child whom we help to find out she is an ambidextrous. You can also listen to this video what she is speaking about her first day experience with us. All right, okay, and once that is done, then Shaima will perform this brain response time.
I want to share with you an important excitement of my life which happened on the day of my first class with Haaq Academy. I was stunned to see that I can use both of my hands at a time to write. I was so excited to know that I was an ambidextrous.
Read the number as it is.
Okay, sir. 26905714335. 334453444.
In this, what happens is there are certain techniques which are involved wherein you can really develop the way how you can make a clear observation of things. Your observation capacity increases and you would be able to read between the lines, okay, and your concentration improves and your distraction level will be under control. All right, and then now I request Anargya and Abhaya to perform this. This is multiple informations. There is, you can see the list is India states and capitals and founded years. The three datas are there. I'm going to ask one data and they are going to say two other datas. All right? Okay. Rajasthan.
Rajasthan, Jaipur, 1956.
Fantastic. Tripura.
Tripura, Agartala, 1922.
Sikkim.
Gangtong, 1975.
Very good. Okay. The next one. Punjab.
Punjab, Chandigarh, 1956.
Tell me. Tamil Nadu.
Chennai, 1950.
Nagaland.
Kohima, 1963.
Oh, very good, Ishan. Fantastic. And now I'm going to invite Kavish, who is going to recall certain scientific terminologies. Using these techniques, you can do a number of things. You can memorize vocabularies, any difficult terminologies, any number of dates, periodic tables, whatnot. Anything can be done. Kavish is going to say on scientific terminologies. Yeah, put your head down. So let me ask you the explanation so that you will tell me the word. All right. Merging of shape and color of animals with their surroundings is called
camouflage.
Camouflage. Okay. Animals that eat both plants of flesh and other animals.
Omnivore.
Omnivores. Okay. What is migration?
Migration is a mass movement of an animal from one place to another place because
Okay.
of harsh conditions.
Oh, very good. Excellent. What is stomata?
Stomata is tiny pores under the leaf surface which plants breathe through.
Okay. What is growth of new plant from a seed?
Germination.
Very good. Excellent. Thank you, Kavish. Fantastic. And now I request Shubhan to explain how the short answer can be memorized. Of course, there are a list of 6 items here, and Shubhan is going to tell you how he could able to memorize it and keep it in his brain for a longer time in a pictorial form.
I used a method called imagery substitution, and I converted the converted list of data into imagery. So now I'm going to say, first point, take a small portion of food, finish everything. Finish everything. Second point, don't cook a large quantity of food. Third point, the cooked food is the cooked food should be in the refrigerated to prevent from getting spoiled. Fourth, in summer, keep fruits and vegetables in the refrigerated. And fifth point, never leave cut fruits and vegetables exposed in the air for long time. And sixth point, keep dry food items in airtight containers.
Oh, that's very good. Let me invite Rohan. So how did you do that? How did you convert the word atria?
Sir, Atria, sir, we just put a tree in the left and right, and then with the next, and then with the near it one M to make it the atrium.
So atrium is a singular form of the atria, correct? No. So that's why you kept
Yes.
M near that. So to remember that vocabulary, atrium. Okay. Then.
Sir, then the ventricles on the left and right side of the heart, and then
You
the
convert
veins.
ventricles. You converted ventricles into a picture form.
Yes, sir. Sir, I just sir, the tricycles are there, sir. Tricycles look like vans. So
Oh, okay, that's very good. Okay. So the
then
four chambers are 2 on the top, atrias, and 2 at the bottom, ventricles. Correct? No?
Yes, sir.
This is what it is. Miraculous, isn't it? See, all these kinds of difficult informations are offered to the children the easiest form. When there is something easy available to study, why are you really pressurizing your children so much to follow the same age old pattern of mugging up? It's not going to help you. Please upscale. Let your children come out of all those difficulties. We are here. There are sources available which can help your children to transform. Bring them to us. We will be in a position to help and do a great job with assured results. Whatever we speak, it's with assured results. We will give you with pre-assessment, post-assessments. You will be really happy to see your child performing in a fantastic way.